Omniconvert is a powerful conversion optimization tool that helps marketers and business owners increase their website's performance. But before you decide to buy, there are a few things you should know. Whether you're considering Omniconvert for its A/B testing, personalization features, or segmentation, it's important to get the full picture. Stick with me till the end of this video for some insights that could save you time and money when evaluating this software. And by the way, you can try Omniconvert completely free from the first link in the description below. Now let's dive in. First off, Omniconvert is a conversion rate optimization tool, which means it's designed to help you improve your website's performance by testing and personalizing your content. It competes directly with other tools like Optimizely and VWO, but what sets Omniconvert apart is its ability to segment your audience in unique ways. This allows you to create hyper-targeted experiences for different customer groups. It's like combining A/B testing with advanced personalization all in one platform, which is a massive win when trying to increase conversions. Next thing, the integration capabilities of Omniconvert are worth noting. It plays well with a wide range of tools, including Google Analytics, Facebook, and Google Ads, making it easy to pull in data from various sources and optimize your site accordingly. Unlike other platforms that might require complex workarounds, Omniconvert's integration process is seamless, which saves you time in the setup process. This is a key factor to consider if you're looking for something that works with the tools you're already using. The third thing you need to know is that Omniconvert isn't just about running tests. It's also about the insights you get from those tests. Their reporting dashboard provides detailed analytics, which allows you to easily see which variations of your pages are performing better. This goes beyond just tracking conversions. It helps you understand user behavior, making it easier to optimize your website for more effective marketing campaigns. Many other tools only offer surface-level data, but Omniconvert provides the depth that can truly inform your decisions. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that Omniconvert's segmentation is highly advanced. You can segment users based on demographics, past behavior, or even predictive analytics. This isn't something every competitor offers at this level, and it's what can make Omniconvert stand out if you're targeting very specific user groups. If you're aiming to maximize the relevance of your content for diverse segments of your audience, Omniconvert offers a unique edge in comparison to more generalized platforms like Google Optimize. Another important point is Omniconvert's heat maps and session recording features. While other A/B testing tools might just show you which variant of a page performs better, Omniconvert allows you to dive deeper with heat maps and session recordings. This provides a visual representation of where users are interacting with your page, allowing you to identify pain points in the user experience. If you're trying to figure out why people aren't converting, these insights can be invaluable. Now, let's talk about pricing. Omniconvert offers a free trial, and if you click the first link below, you can get an exclusive benefit to test it out without committing right away. Pricing is transparent and relatively competitive when compared to other CRO tools. However, if you're a smaller business or just starting, you might find other tools like Hotjar to be more budget-friendly, especially if you're only looking for heat maps and session recordings without the full range of conversion optimization features. Lastly, Omniconvert's customer support and educational resources are top-notch. Their team is responsive, and they offer plenty of guides and tutorials to help you get the most out of the platform. Unlike some competitors where support might feel a bit distant, Omniconvert ensures you're not left in the dark. To sum it up, Omniconvert offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to businesses looking to maximize conversions through testing, personalization, and detailed analytics. It stands out with its powerful segmentation and integration capabilities, but it's not the cheapest option out there. However, if you're serious about optimization and want a tool that grows with your business, Omniconvert might be worth the investment. If you want to try out Omniconvert for free and get some exclusive benefits, be sure to click the first link in the description below. Happy optimizing!